Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ashwagandha powder versus Moringa powder. We'll explore their unique properties, distinct health benefits, and help you decide which might be better for your specific wellness goals. Understanding their differences is key to making an informed choice for your daily routine. Let's dive into the details of these popular superfoods. Ashwagandha is well known as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body cope with stress. It can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm. Many people also find it improves their sleep quality, helping them achieve more restful nights. Additionally, ashwagandha may enhance cognitive function and even support athletic performance. Moringa powder is often called the miracle tree due to its impressive nutritional profile. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, along with important minerals such as iron and calcium. Moringa also provides powerful antioxidants that protect your cells. Furthermore, it may help reduce inflammation, contributing to overall well-being. When deciding between ashwagandha and moringa, consider your main health goals. If stress management, improved sleep, or cognitive support are priorities, ashwagandha might be your best choice. However, if you're seeking a comprehensive nutritional boost and antioxidant support, moringa is an excellent option. You can even combine them for complementary benefits, but always consult a healthcare professional first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.